Well, Capri pants are back and I love them. I don't know why I haven't sewn many of them because I really like them and they don't need to be on fashion to wear them. So I have this pair that I haven't worn a lot. I made them myself. I love the color, but it's not like, I don't know why, I haven't worn them. But in that style, I think I will. And why do I think I'm going to wear them more if I cut them a little bit? Because I used to wear them loads and I had every pattern imaginable. I had denim, white, beige, flower, pattern. I had everything and I loved them. So I think I'll wear them, and they're really versatile because if it's hot, you can wear it with sandals, you can dress it up by wearing it with high heels or with flats or trainers. So it's really comfy and useful to have. These trousers are a sort of polyester. I made them from a piece of remnant. I think it was 2 years ago in January, and I like them, but I haven't worn them. So they're okay, they have facings, they have an invisible zip, and then the only thing is that they are fraying quite a bit, so I might have to add a zigzag stitch or maybe even use my pinking shears. Let's see. So the thing is that one tip to try them on and to see how long you have them or how much you want to cut them is to try them on wrong size out, and that way you're marking exactly what you need, and it's really useful. Some people don't like using pinking shears because they say it's not professional. It's not the best finish. I mean, you're not going to do this for anyone. It's just for you. But if I do an overlock stitch, a fake overlock stitch, I will have to do it before sewing it together, so it's nice and open. Now that I have it sewn and finished, it's a bit more difficult. So I'm going to do this just to make sure they don't fray and I can keep using them. But yes, the best way will be before. And I'm only doing it on the inner seams because I'm going to take it in a little bit as well. They are a bit loose. I've lost some weight since then, and Capri pants are not tight but a bit tighter, so I want them a bit tighter. And once you see you haven't taken in too much and it's alright, you can start with the hem. And for the hem, I want to do these slits, these openings on the sides, so it's more comfortable to wear. So I'm going to, with the trousers right size out, I'm going to fold them out as you do with hemming, and then I'm going to measure 2 centimeters on each side and make this diagonal line and sew it. And once I sew it, I'm going to just cut it and put it right size out, and that's my little opening. These kind of fabrics are really slippery, and even though you press them, they sort of come back and they gain volume again. So I'm going to use this fusible tape for hems, which is good for people who don't sew, and it works really well for facings as well. So I'm going to use it for this, so it stays in place and then I can sew it by hand easily. I'm going to sew it by hand even though I can do it on the machine, but I haven't got a purple thread. I don't know why. I've been sewing in pink, so I want to make really sure that the stitches are quite invisible, so I'm going to do it by hand. So this is it. I think it's an ideal way to use something you have forgotten in your wardrobe, and if you like trendy stuff and follow the fashions more. So I really like it. I think the little opening, the little slit, it looks really good, and I love how it feels. It feels really comfy and it doesn't add any tightness to your leg, so it's ideal. Let me know down in the comments what you thought, if you like this kind of projects, and consider subscribing if you're new around here, because I upload twice a week and that way you don't miss anything. And I leave you here a list with all the mending things I've done. There's useful stuff, so just stick around for a while. Bye! Hola, hola, hola. Hey, hey, hey.